Hey gamers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're hunting for a powerful gaming laptop without burning a hole in your pocket, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be showing you the top 5 gaming laptops under 70,000 Indian rupees that deliver the perfect balance of performance, graphics, and value for money. Whether you're into competitive esports titles like Valorant and CS:GO or heavy AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring, these laptops can handle it all. So stick around till the end, because number 1 on this list is a total game changer. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that like button, because it really motivates me to bring more detailed breakdowns like this, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more budget gaming guides. Also, comment down below which is your dream gaming laptop if budget wasn't a problem? I'll pin the most interesting one. Number 5, HP Victus 15 Ryzen 5 5600H processor plus RTX 3050 graphic. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the HP Victus 15. This is one of the most balanced gaming laptops you can find under 70,000 Indian rupees. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor, which is a solid 6-core, 12-thread CPU, and paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. That combo alone ensures you can comfortably game at 1080p high settings on most titles. You'll also get a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, which is fantastic for competitive gaming. Trust me, once you've played at 144Hz, it's tough to go back to 60Hz. Battery life isn't its strongest point, expect around 4 to 5 hours for casual use, and of course, while gaming, you'll want it plugged in. But the thermals are well managed, and HP has kept the design minimal, making it look professional enough for students and office work too. If you want a balance of gaming power and everyday usability, the Victus 15 is a solid pick. Number 4, Acer Nitro V 15 13th Gen i5 processor plus RTX 3050 graphic. At number 4, we have the Acer Nitro V 15. Now Acer's Nitro series has always been a fan favorite among budget gamers, and this one is no different. You're getting the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H, which has 8 cores and is pretty efficient for multitasking as well as gaming. Paired with the RTX 3050 with 4GB VRAM, you're looking at a laptop that can comfortably push 60+ FPS on most esports titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and Apex Legends. The display here is also 15.6-inch FHD with a 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth gameplay. The Nitro series is known for its gaming aesthetics, RGB keyboard, bold design, and cooling vents that scream performance. One cool bonus is Acer's NitroSense software, which lets you control fan speeds and monitor system temps, a feature competitive gamers will love. The downside? It's a bit on the heavier side, around 2.3 kilograms, so portability isn't its strong suit. But if you're looking for a sturdy, gaming-focused laptop under 70,000 Indian rupees, this is a great choice. Number 3, ASUS TUF Gaming A15 Ryzen 7 5800H processor plus GTX 1650/RTX 3050 graphic. Coming in at number 3 is the ASUS TUF Gaming A15. Now the TUF series has a reputation for durability, it's literally built to military-grade standards. If you're someone who carries your laptop around a lot, this one is made to last. Under the hood, you get the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, which is an absolute beast of a processor, with 8 cores and 16 threads. Depending on the model, you'll either find the GTX 1650 or, if you're lucky within offers, even the RTX 3050. Now, the GTX 1650 is slightly older, but still good for 1080p gaming at medium-high settings. The RTX 3050 variant, of course, brings ray tracing and DLSS support, making it much more future-proof. The A15 also comes with a 144Hz FHD display, great cooling, and a design that screams gamer. It's not the slimmest laptop around, but the performance-to-price ratio makes it one of the most reliable options under 70,000 Indian rupees. If raw CPU power and durability are your priorities, the TUF Gaming A15 is definitely worth considering. Number 2, Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 i5 12th Gen processor plus RTX 3050 graphic. Number 2 on our list is the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, and I'll be honest, it's one of my personal favorites in this price range. The Intel Core i5-12450H combined with the RTX 3050 makes it a powerhouse for gamers who also need a laptop for productivity. This CPU is excellent for video editing, streaming, and multitasking, while the RTX 3050 handles modern titles like GTA 5, Far Cry 6, and COD Warzone smoothly at 60 to 80 FPS. Design-wise, Lenovo has kept it sleek and minimal, which is great if you don't want your laptop to screen gamer in every situation. The keyboard has a single-zone backlight, not full RGB, but it's very comfortable for long gaming sessions. Another plus is Lenovo Vantage software, which helps optimize performance and update drivers easily. Overall, the IdeaPad Gaming 3 is perfect if you want something powerful yet versatile, great for students, creators, and gamers alike. Number 1, MSI GF63 Thin i5 12th Gen processor plus RTX 3050 Ti graphic. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the MSI GF63 Thin. This laptop is a true all-rounder in the sub-70K range. It comes with the Intel Core i5-12450H paired with the RTX 3050 Ti. Note that's the T version, which gives a decent performance bump over the regular 3050. This means higher frame rates in demanding games and smoother performance overall. The GF63 stands out for its thin and lightweight design, weighing just around 1.8 kilograms. That makes it one of the most portable gaming laptops you can buy at this price, without sacrificing too much power. The 144Hz display, slim bezels, and MSI's gaming software add to the premium experience. Sure, the cooling system isn't the most advanced compared to bulkier laptops, but if portability and performance are equally important to you, the MSI GF63 Thin is unbeatable under 70,000 Indian rupees. So, those were my picks for the top 5 gaming laptops under 70,000 Indian rupees. To quickly recap. Number 5, HP Victus 15, balanced performance and clean design. Number 4, Acer Nitro V15, bold design, great performance. Number 3, ASUS TUF A15, rugged build, strong CPU. Number 2, Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, versatile and sleek. Number 1, MSI GF63 Thin, lightweight powerhouse with RTX 3050 Ti. Remember, prices keep fluctuating, so I'll drop the latest links in the description. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you're planning to buy one of these, let me know in the comments which one you're going for. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more budget gaming guides and reviews.